And the Ministry of Health has embarked on a multi-million US dollar project to strengthen the country's healthcare system. Jamaica has the details.
The Ministry of Health this week unveiled plans for future developments of health infrastructure in Jamaica. A series of designs were showcased for a number of hospitals and health centers which will be upgraded. They include Cornwall Regional, Spanish Town, May Pen, St. Anne's Bay, and University Hospital of the West Indies.
There are three critical elements to building out a modern, responsive healthcare system. And it's a process. It evolves over time because you have to respond to the demands, to the needs, to the threats, to the risks, as we have had to do to dengue, to ZIKV, to CHIKV, to now COVID-19. The first, of course, is our infrastructure, which we are talking about today. And I don't think anyone should have any doubts about what we are doing and what we intend to do.
Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says starting next year, the project will see the expansion of specialized services, creating more bed spaces and operating theaters. Additionally, an aspect of the project will also address diagnostic equipment issues like X-ray machines and CT scans.
On a more broader national level, we are now exploring an approach that will see us equipping our health infrastructure with the appropriate equipment, either through partnerships, through leasing arrangements, or otherwise, so that when a patient, to come back to the patient, goes to a hospital with a symptom, they don't have to wait 3, 4 or more extra days or find the money themselves to go to find out based on a diagnosis assumption that is made.
The project is being done in collaboration with IDB, EU, and funds from the government of Jamaica.
We have committed with a plan for expenditure of anywhere between 200 and 236 million US dollars for a plan that started in concept anyway 5 years ago, in reality 2 years ago, and the intention now, we are at a stage, as you have seen, with designs completed for build out going into the next few years. So that's between 27 billion and 31 billion Jamaican dollars.
Jamaica, TVJ News.